Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about how to run Behat testing in WP-CLI. So this is not the information for Behat, what is Behat and all. This is just a video about how we can run Behat testing. So just for a heading, Behat testing is a automated testing for PHP. So for example, this WP-CLI has some WP commands. So once we add a new command or fix something, we have to add behat testing so that we know how that command is going to uh, execute and what it will give an output. So we can set our expectation, but yeah, that we can cover in other video, but this video is fully focused on just to how to run the behat test. So first of all, what you need to do is, this is the WP-CLI repo. In that, it is the entity command repo. WP-CLI has a different repo for different purposes. So I'm gonna show you the entity command repo, which is responsible for these commands: comment, menu option, post, site term, and users. So whatever uh, we do on the WordPress backend site, mainly this is all entity command. So first you have to fork the repo. I already forked it, so first step is clone the repo. So I'm gonna clone this, copy, and everything I will show you in the VS Code. So I'm gonna clone this at particular place. So git clone, and let's wait for the clone. Okay, now it is cloned. So now let's open that folder. So now we have opened it into the VS Code. Sorry about that, guys. So once we clone it, we have to do composer install. So make sure you have composer installed on your system. So let's do composer install. So it will install all the dependencies. You can see the vendor folder has appeared, and in that we have the Behat installed. So this will install all the dependencies. Okay, so you have done composer install, and then third is to give privilege uh, in the MySQL to this user using this password, because Behat testing will use this user uh, with this password for MySQL operations. So what you have to do is first log into your MySQL and then run this command. I will provide this command in the description section, and then you have to create a database named WP-CLI test. So create a database. Yeah, my database is already created, so let me show you. Here is the database, it's already created. Okay, once it is done, you can now start running Behat testing. So let me show you where the Behat test goes. So in this folder you will have this folder called features, and Behat test runs this file called uh, extension which has feature extension. So these are all files for by that you can run Behat. So for example, I want to run Behat testing for this comment generate feature. So what I'm gonna do is, first we have to check where the Behat command is. So it will be in vendor behat bin. So we see that command is here. So first we have to go to that, we have to set that path vendor behat bin behat, and then space features, and give the file name. Let's run this comment dot feature, and as you can see now the Behat testing has been started. So yeah, this is how you can run Behat testing. I'm gonna about this, and let me show you on the big screen. So this is how it runs, and if any error has been there, it will throw an error so that we can make changes on our code or whatever we have to do. But yeah, this is how you can run Behat testing on WP CLI. So this is it guys, thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section.